The Tsuzuri Project work, Dragon and Clouds. Though dragons are said to embody the gods, the somewhat comical expression of this dragon creates the impression that something may be weighing heavily on its mind. The work is by Soga Shohaku, an eccentric artist who was active in the middle of the Edo period. Though known as a vagabond, details of his life are shrouded in mystery. The original now resides overseas in the United States at the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston. The artwork, believed to have adorned sliding doors from an unknown temple, had been removed from the door panels and stored in rolls. The Tsuzuri Project is a joint initiative launched in 2007 by Canon and the Kyoto Culture Association. The project creates high-resolution facsimiles of important Japanese cultural assets located in Japan and overseas, with the aim of sharing these precious works of art with a wide audience. Soga Shohaku's Dragon and Clouds, owned by the Museum of Fine Arts, Boston. Through the creation of a full-scale facsimile, the Tsuzuri Project aimed to convey the visual impact of this widely acclaimed work. The work measures 165 centimeters in height and more than 10 meters wide. First, images are captured using a Canon EOS digital SLR camera. A specially designed pan-tilt head makes it possible to photograph the work one section at a time. After image correction, each individual high-quality image comprises several 100 million pixels worth of data. Lighting conditions are analyzed on the spot to ensure accurate color reproduction. This not only streamlines the color matching process, but also minimizes the burden on the cultural assets. The digital data is brought back to Japan and output on a Canon Image ProGraph large format inkjet printer. Mounting by Kyoto-based paper hanger Hirokazu Yokoyama completes the print's transformation into a work of art. The finished Dragon and Clouds was delivered to Tenryuji Temple in Kyoto's Arashiyama district. Tenryuji was built by Ashikaga Takauji in memory of Emperor Go-Daigo, with Muso Kokushi as its founding priest. Conceived by Muso Kokushi, the Sogen Pond Garden, featuring a rock formation representing Dragon Gate Falls, is a World Heritage Site characterized by its borrowed landscapes of Arashiyama, Kameyama, and Ogurayama. A small welcoming committee eagerly awaited the arrival of the dragon. Tenryuji's chief abbot Yodo Sasaki and Secretary General Josho Toga, along with Nobuo Tsuji, the art historian responsible for a reappraisal of Japan's eccentric artists, including Soga Shohaku, Ito Jakuchu, and Nagasawa Rosetsu.
目の表情がね、独創的というか。
やっぱりその目の、このすごい爪につながってると、その爪の先に怪しい雲が垂れていると、そういうなんか物語的な連続的な、展開になってるわけで、それがやっぱりこの作品の見どころだと思いますね。ボストンで展示されるのは4年に1度ぐらいしか展示されないということですから、それがここで見られるとなると本当に素晴らしい文化遺産の日本里帰りっていうことになると思うんですけども。
龍というのは仏教の法を守るご法人でもありますし、 これからはこの作品を大切に保存し、またたくさんの方々に鑑賞していただきまして、日本の文化の理解を深めていただきたいと思っているわけであります。
型にはまらないというところがなんか本当にもうポイントだと思いますね。こういう作品を見るとこっちの心までなんかね型が破れたような感じがするという大変愉快な絵ではないかと思います。
こういう絵ですと近くへ行ってみると筆の運びとかいうのがすぐ分かるわけです。だから絵を勉強するためには一番必要なものじゃないかなと。子どもたちにこういうふうな絵を間近に見せるっていうのがやはり一番いいことじゃないかなと。これからの上層教育には一番大切なことじゃないかなというふうに私は思います。
Although Soga Shohaku led a nomadic life far from his Kyoto home, embodied in this dragon, he has now returned in spirit. The dragon's charming gaze greets visitors to Tenryuji Temple. Canon, through its digital imaging technology, continues to promote the sharing and understanding of these important cultural properties.